part of this whole Grassy Waters Preserve area. So there's two other trails you want to go to today, the Eagle Trail and the Hog Hammock. Right now we're going to go on the Cypress Boardwalk, so it looks really interesting. I can't wait to get out there. Sandra's really excited. So I'll be back in a bit. So y'all, I just brought out the big boy 15600 with the my tripod, my gimbal tripod, and Sandra's got the video one. So out here, we hadn't noticed anything really of interest. The lady inside this little nature center had told us that this right here had told us that things are pretty scarce right now, so we'll just have to wait and see what we spot. Look at this. This is pretty down in here. So I figured today I was going to try to catch a bald eagle out here, but I was disappointed to find out that the eagles nest in a totally different area right now. And it's a trek. So I'm gonna look around a little bit. Sandra's gonna look around a bit. And I'll be back in a little bit. So y'all, Sandra and I were walking just for a short while, and really there's no just mainly flowers and just some scenic landscape. That's it. Hopefully picks up. We'll find it. Very beautiful area right there. I would love to be able to see this every day. We'll be back in a bit. So y'all, got a few shots on a eastern gray squirrel that was jumping through the trees. Sun in the background. Hopefully it turns out. This trail's not very long, but I've been stopping just to look around, see if I noticed anything. It's pretty beautiful in here. Oh, I think I hear a squirrel or something up here. Alright, I'll be back in a bit. So y'all, not really much of anything so far on this place. It's beautiful though. There's some really nice views. We probably only walked probably 0.6 miles, stopping here and there, trying to find stuff. I did catch a squirrel, like I said before, and a blue jay potentially. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I didn't come out here for blue jays. Wow, that thing creaked. I'm just hoping. The lady told me there's bald eagles at another place, but it's really hard to access, so I'm not going to be able to get those. I was hoping to get an Everglades snail kite, which eats mostly apple snails, and a few other birds. I heard there was horned owls out here, and I haven't seen not a one. Just mainly your regular average birds like blue jays, and I think I did see a finch or a quail or something, but I couldn't get a shot on it. It was very quick. So let's just keep walking here. Maybe we'll come across something. So I do have some things I'm working on in my head. Update too, by the way. The Photosmith shirt, I actually ordered it. I finally settled on the design for it. So it's my round Photosmith logo, and on the back it's got a famous saying of mine. So, oh wow, look at this. That's pretty nice. So anyway, it's got a saying of mine on it, and it shows the YouTube logo. So I can't wait to get it in. I think it'll be a couple weeks until I get it. So, but I'm really excited about it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Such diversity, man. The world is amazing. So I guess we'll come up here, we'll see what kind of views we got, and I'll be back shortly. So look guys, we're on the way back from that little overlook, and look. Another eastern lubber grasshopper here. Don't be spraying nothing on me, boy. It's pretty. I had said in a previous video that they were toxic to humans and pets. They're not. It's only their natural predator they are. But it's probably an annoyance to get that stuff on you. I don't know if it stinks. I don't know. But it might irritate your skin potentially. I don't really know. But they're pretty much harmless though for humans. So we're going to move on. Be back in a bit. Alright y'all. So we left the other area that we were at, the Cypress Boardwalk Trail. Really wasn't a lot on there. It's mainly just some beautiful scenery, you know, bright sunny day. That's about all. So we decided to change, going to a little bit north and west of where we're at. And it's another part of the Grassy Waters Preserve. And there's two trails here. One's called the Hog Hammock Trail, and another one's called the Trail, which we're about to go on. So decided to see what we got here. Hopefully there's some more here than it was at the other one, but we'll see. I'll be back in a bit. So we're at the Eagle Trail now. Let's see what's up in here. Got a little picnic area. There's some people up here, so I ain't trying to get into their stuff, but Pretty beautiful in here. This little lake, they're fixing to go kayaking. So I'm gonna walk in further. I'm gonna see if we can find anything. Back in a bit. Came up to this point on the eagle. Look at this. This is pretty badass. People out here kayaking. Ooh, look. An apple snail shell. Pretty neat. So I'm gonna keep walking across this bridge and we're gonna see what's on the other side here. Whoa, it's shaking. Oh, it's funny. I didn't expect it to do that. Sandra's over here checking out something. Here's a duck potato. I don't know what she's got, but we'll check it out. Get up here. Oh look, another apple snail shell. So there's been some birds going at it out here. Getting these. Maybe the kites were out here and they got them. Yeah, she looks like she got some duck potato again. What is it?
The three-petaled flowers.
Yeah, that's duck potato, I think.
Oh.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's amazing, this little lake. And the grass. It's the whole place. Alright y'all, so we got off the Eagle Trail, backtracked back to the beginning, and now we're on this hog hammock trail. There's a sign for it up here. Looks like there's some posted and patrolled. Looks like there's some picnic tables up here and such. Supposedly they're have a bridge boardwalk that's under construction up here, so we won't be able to go down that way. We'll have to take the left path. So, ooh, there's a nice open area. See, they're doing stuff over there. Hog hammock trails that way. Always got to go down and check the water. Never know what you might see. I don't know what you call these. I'm assuming there's some type of lily pad flower, but I don't know. I'll have to research it and check it out. And there's a deer fly on me. Get off. Alright, I'm gonna check this out. I'll be back in a bit. We're a little bit ways into the hog hammock trail and hog ruts. So somewhere out in here, it's probably a hog or two. Right here, we got some more. Real light on the wildlife today. So, like I said, it's nice to get out and just walk anyway. I got a bunch of landscape photos, and that's pretty much it. Some squirrels. Look at these weird knot tree right here. Maybe it's some kind of lichen or some kind of fungus. I don't know. So, a little hint on what I've been cooking up in my head. I do want to do a landscape series, exclusively landscape. Still in early stages and trying to hash out, you know, the idea, what I want to call it, and you know. But honestly, I don't know. I was thinking about doing macro with Photosmith as well, and I don't know if I'm going to do that. I might just keep this as my bread and butter for right now, because I do everything in it anyway. You know, whether it be wildlife, macro, landscape. So we'll just have to see. Yeah, it takes a lot of time and effort to do these, so I don't know. I keep hearing birds, but I don't see any of them. Look, here's some berries on this tree. I wonder if that's the foxberry. I'm not sure. I think that's a vine. Alright, so we're going to delve further, and we'll be back in a bit. So y'all, not much of anything out here today. It's kind of a bust. We're walking back to the exit now because there's nothing out here, and we got to get back. We got to get back to where we live at, because we have to pick up our kids from school. So. Alrighty, I'll be back in a bit for the outro. Alright y'all, so that's the end of today's walk. Yeah, it wasn't too bad of a walk. It was just really light on the wildlife. We did go on 3 different trails at the Grassy Waters Preserve.